Since the dawn of life, mankind, earth, and water depend on one another. If one of them is hurt, it disrupts the other too. We may live without food for a few days, but for how long can we survive without water? Water is life, but not just any water. Ream water. Natural spring mineral water, sourced from a private, environmentally protected land of 12 million square meters on the Sanin Mountain in Lebanon. A land afforested with over 30,000 cedar trees. When the snow melts at 2,628 meters altitude and travels through the soil of the mountain, it is enriched with healthy, light, natural minerals, giving Ream water its famous silky feel. Pursuing its journey by gravity and reaching the Ain el-Saifi Spring, a geological formation that's 114 million years old, from the Cenomanian era. Elevated at 1,450 meters altitude, Ream water flows serenely through this natural wonder, as if it awaits to be captured for a noble cause, for the good of mankind, with the most advanced technological means. Untouched by anyone. Ream water is, indeed, untouched. From the largest bottling plant in Lebanon and the region, and through the most advanced technological facilities, Ream water reaches over 32 international markets straight from the source, and only through gravity. Safely packaged in convenient and sustainable bottles. Ream water also launched the first Lebanese sparkling mineral water and is growing stronger with natural and refreshing flavors. Every stage of the bottling system is carefully monitored with the highest quality assurance practices, including a certified in-house, ultra-advanced laboratory that performs microbiological and chemical tests on Ream water every hour of every day, guaranteeing its natural integrity remains intact. This noble cause for water began decades ago with the vision of the founder, Mirshid Jarias el-Baklini. He prepared the land for a clean, healthy, and natural environment to contain the water in its pristine form and to reach every consumer in its protected quality. This devotion has been passed on for generations, in firm belief that water is a noble cause. 100% natural and light in minerals, straight from the source, Ream water is the preferred choice for people locally and internationally. With every generation, the promise is kept and the mission goes on. Water is a philosophy of life, not only a source of life.